Okay, in this video, I'm gonna give you the complete guide of how you can verify your age on Roblox. So you wanna click on the cogwheel right here in the top right corner, go to settings, and right here, we should see the option to verify our age. So we wanna click on it, and it will give us a QR code, and we have to use a smartphone. So I'm just going to hop onto my phone and I'm gonna show you how we can do it. Okay, so I have hopped onto my phone and now we have to open up a QR code scanner. So I have it right here. Basically just gotta scan this code and it will tell us that we have to go to the website. It should look like this for you. So begin verifying, we wanna click on it. Okay, so from here you have to select your country. You can just change it to the United States if that's where you're from. You gotta click on select, and now you have to select which type of document you will use to verify. So for me, that's gonna be my national ID. Okay, so it's gonna tell you that you have to take a clear photo of the front of your government ID. So I'm just going to do that real quick and I'm going to pause it. So this is opened and it looks like this. We just gotta aim it at the front of our ID. So I'm just going to pause it so you don't see my info. Okay, so we took this photo and now it wants the back of the ID as well. So we just gotta turn it around. Okay, so after it has processed both sides, now we have to confirm that it's actually us. So we gotta position ourselves in the camera and just move our head around like shown. Okay, so if you get this issue and you're wearing glasses, you wanna take them off. So just gotta try again and follow the instructions on screen. And we get this message, congratulations on verifying your identity. So now it's telling us that it has automatically updated the date of birth and we have a wider access of games. So if we close, as you can see, congratulations, your age has been verified. Woo, that took a little bit of time, but it was worth it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you next time.